guys, welcome to the video, and I am going to show you how to do a scary makeover. So yeah, I'm going to move my chair over here so I can sit down, because I'm not liking not sitting down. Look at my emoji poop.
Don't worry, I got it.
You okay? I'm just going to scoot this over. And yeah, so hopefully you guys love this video.
Oh, you see all the pop I got?
Yeah, you got me a lot.
It's awesome.
Okay, so I'm just gonna, hold on, give me a second. So all I'm gonna do is just do my makeup. So let's get to doing. Okay, I can't put my legs there. So yeah, so let's get to moving. So first you need to grab is some kind of chapstick. It needs to be like that, just plain white. And then put it on your lips. Put it on your lips.
Did you get along with your mom or no?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna rub my lips like that. And I'm gonna hit the skin too, under skin, because you don't want your lips.
I got your macaroni and cheese too.
Okay.
And I got you another surprise in the refrigerator.
Really?
What?
Really?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Starts with a W.
W. What? Water.
Water?
Yeah.
No, not water.
I'm gonna go see what I got. Eat. So, he had watermelon for me. I love watermelon. That's why he got it. So yeah. I want it to be really bad. Okay. So, more of that. Take it. And use there. Okay, so I got this for like blood and stuff. That's when I made a bloody hand, but I didn't make a video of it. It's right there, the one that looks like pink. It's really red. So does that look like pink? No, it looks like so red. So I bet pink looks like red. Let me see. Pink looks like normal pink, and red looks like a dark pink. Looks like a dark pink. Right, remember when I made that fake throw up? And I put it all down my face? I'm going to do a different one. And this one's going to be better.
Still probably 18 hours or so. 38 degrees right now. It's Hills High School on Pinpoint StormNet. Winds are around from the south and southeast. They've been rather strong. And through the midday hours of tomorrow, we are going to continue to see some rain. A cloudy but dry Thanksgiving Day with the clouds overhead.
That hurt. What I'm going to do is be the Iowa State. I'm just kidding. So what you need is this extra pack of skin and a paintbrush, a bottom of the paintbrush. So what you just do with that is just scoop the bottom of the paintbrush under, and you're just gonna make some patches of skin. So extra patches of skin. I'm gonna put this one right there. Or do you want me to do my hand? I'm gonna do my hand. It's better. The hand's easier. I'm just gonna pat it down. And pat it down. And then I'm gonna grab this again. and wipe it through again.
As we head into the day on Thursday. The winds will be lighter though, so it'll be a little nicer that way. Tonight's forecast should get down to about 25, or maybe from 37 to 41.
Yeah.
So not really much
It's
change
extra
where
patches of
temperatures
skin,
right now will
guys.
scatter
Not
out.
real extra patches of skin.
Tomorrow the showers
It's
come to an end. We
fake.
should bounce back into
So don't be up to people and say, oh, the video, it's really scary. She has extra patches on her skin. Don't do that. Okay? Actually, don't do this at home because you can really scare your parents. No, well, they will get really mad at you and send you to the room. And they will starve you. Trust me. It happened before. I saw a child that it happened to a child. He had a name tag too. He said, "What do you mean Copo? Winnie Copo." I can't say it. Winnie Copo. Winnie Copo. I can't say it. Winnie Copo. Winnie Cop-Cha. Winnie Cop-Cha. There. Winnie Cop-Cha. Winnie Cop-Cha. Winnie Cop-Cha. Winnie Cop-Cha. There. Just dab some on my skin, extra patches of skin, and then you're gonna grab this, and then you're gonna dip it in the red, dab it in the red. Look at all the ding dongs. Okay, and then you're just gonna rub it all over your skin. And then you just rub it. Because then you just rub it and just let it fall on your hand. It starts to get like bumpy and lumpy.
Mr. Nolan indicated to us, we saw the maps last year, that there are 2 lines
I'm gonna just rub it, and rub it. Because then it will start looking like dry blood. Like that, dry blood. That is patches and bubble wrap. Fake blood. Perfect. Perfect way to start on your parents and family members. So on Thanksgiving, I would just do this, or on Christmas, I would do this. So green and yeah. So what does that look like? Huh? How does that look like? Looks all red. Perfect. Perfect. You're gonna make your hand really red because you want it to look like a devil. Next thing, you're gonna grab this black. I'm just kidding. Where's that go? Oh, here it is. You're gonna grab one of these. You're gonna dip it in the black. And you're just gonna add some marks of it everywhere because you want the red to be darkened out.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you more.
I love you more than anything. Hey, Papa, would Grandma be asleep right now? Would Grandma Susie be asleep right now?
No.
No? No?
Why?
I want to show her something.
It's raining. What are you gonna show her?
This tattoo that I made.
You gotta take it to her.
Tailored to you. Wait it out. Equipped with Apple CarPlay compatibility.
You gotta show it to her.
So, I'm going to go jumping Grandma. Bye. I'll be back. Hello guys, I'm back. Yeah, I showed my grandma it. Oh yeah. Now it's time for a throw up. Who can use chapstick? Put it on your
You taking a
lips.
shower tonight?
What?
So guys, as I understand it,
You
all
taking
your
a shower tonight?
Yeah.
artifacts, your non-spendables,
Wait, no.
Yeah.
No.
You need to wash that hand up. Try to
No.
Craig,
No. And then you grab a paintbrush. Well, I'm going to put me in the eye. And you clean it. And then you grab like yellow. It's kind of like yellowish. And then you grab the green, mix it together. And grab some more yellow. And grab some green. And grab some more yellow. And then you throw, and then you just go to.
Wow, this is great. I didn't know this. So Oak Island has its own display in the Natural History Museum. Yes, it does. Now, Charles, tell me a little bit about what's here.
Well, these are all artifacts that over the last 3 years we've found on Oak Island. And I see musket balls over there. This is a buckle frame. Now, this could be part of a shoe buckle or a belt buckle or a harness. Here's a brooch
I
that
just
was
phoned
found
up, Papa.
on Lot 24.
Huh?
Papa,
At
I
one
just
point,
phoned
Lot
up.
24 was owned by
Quit now. Come on, you're making a mess of yourself.
I know how to pick it up without taking a shower.
Here's a large spoon.
No, you're gonna get a shower tonight.
No way!
Below that is this handle of a silver spoon. It has the silversmith's mark on the back, W. Miller, and he was an American silversmith in the early 19th century.
This is fantastic.
But this is what we really want to show you, and it's that coin right there. That is the swan coin right there. But we can get Corey in here to open up the case for us.
Oh, yeah.
And perhaps you may even.
Hi, Corey. Look, this means I get to hold it,
I think they're going to allow you to do that.
This is phenomenal.
Not too many people have held that coin.
Not even spot
Thank
to
you
see.
very much. And there it is.
Still gotta get a shower.
No,
And we take this
No.
scoop over, and there it is.
too slow, too cold.
1652.
52. That's amazing.
I just dropped my watermelon. I dropped my watermelon. I dropped my watermelon. I dropped my watermelon. I dropped my watermelon. Just kidding.
You know, you can have English money, Spanish money, French, Dutch, Portuguese.
I really got it, guys. And we were grabbed another one.
Just a Spanish coin.
I dropped
Did you
it.
guys feel like this was a bit of a watershed moment on Oak Island? Did you notice a difference in everyone's enthusiasm and excitement level post the coin?
To Dan's house.
Brought something we want to show you.
We sitting at the table there, and Rick comes in.
Back, guys, back.
Dan's hand. You could just see him like.
So, yeah, that's my video. So, one of my songs, 2 songs I made. I love you, I hate you, no matter. Just kidding, that's not really the song. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna all wash off.
But to him,
Yeah.
that was a.
Bye.